Welcome again. So you wrote your mission. Great. You have a mission. I'm excited. Now let's go to something else. Strategic analysis. Oh, that's so boring. No, it's not boring. Remember, I wrote hundreds of pages about how to write a mission, a vision, and my focus was strategic analysis. So I will figure out how to go over strategic analysis because it is very important, because it will teach you how to actually analyze your environment and analyze yourself in order to get the best of that. Let me go back to my example of the GPS. I really liked that example. Suppose you already know your vision, so you went click, wrote your address, ready to go. So what you do when you want to go to a faraway, you want to drive to a faraway place? Well, first you need to check the gas of your car. You need to check if you have your license, if you have the credentials, because if you don't have the credentials, you cannot drive. You need to check if you have the strengths. You know, what about if you don't see well? So then you will need your glasses. You need your glasses, you need your gas. You need to check if you like to hear music while we're driving. You have to bring your music. So you need to feel that you're comfortable while you're driving. If you're a good driver, that's your strength. If you have a good vision, that's your strength. Now, doesn't mean you won't have areas of improvements. For example, you say, you know what, I was about to drive and I realized I cannot see. Well, doesn't mean that you cannot drive. Means that you have to go to the optometrist, make sure that you actually have your eyes measured and use your glasses. So you improve and then you continue to your way to whatever place you want to go, to your vision. Now, so you have your strengths and your areas of improvement. Now, suppose you're ready to go, you are happy, and suddenly you turn the radio and hear that there is a hurricane coming. So you see there is external activities and there is also internal activities. So if hurricane is coming, it's not something that you can control, right? But you know it's coming, so you can figure out other things to control it. I say, well, I'm not controlling the hurricane, but maybe it's not a good moment for me right now to leave. So you wait a couple of days, or you look for a shelter. So you protect yourself. So that it will be something that is a challenge for you. Another challenge will be suddenly they changed in some countries. There's rules that in order to protect the pollution, protect the environment, they actually allow people to drive only twice a week, like Monday and Wednesday and Tuesday and Thursday. Maybe you are in those countries. So suppose it's Monday and you are only allowed to drive on Tuesday, then you have to wait. You know, again, that's a challenge that you have to go over. That will delay the process, but doesn't mean it will stop you from going where you want to go. Another thing, so we're talking about challenges, which is external. Another thing external could be opportunities. Suppose you're about to drive and somebody give you a shortcut to go to your place you want to go. That shortcut is not in your GPS, because GPS is just a machine. So that's an opportunity. You say, you know what, I can go faster if I go that way. I can go faster if I do these things. Opportunity. Suppose you drive into a city who is 7 hours from here, and somebody give you a free flight ticket. Then you don't have to drive, you just go and take your flight and go to the city. That's an opportunity. So life will offer you opportunities and challenges. At the same time, internally, you will have your strengths and your areas of improvement. And I call that strategic planning. That's a strategic analysis to evaluate your strengths and your areas of improvement, your opportunities, and your challenges. And I call this OCAIS. You know, people call it SWOT analysis in English. In Spanish it's FODA. To me, no SWOT, no FODA. I call it OCAIS with C. O as an opportunities, C as in challenges, AI is areas of improvement, and S as a strength. So that's the OCAIS. And in the next steps, we will discuss about your strengths and your areas of improvement, also your internal factors, and we will learn to evaluate those in order to take the most advantage of this. So remember, you will be okay.